super good. Everything is crunchy. The chicken,
The music's great too.
the tater tots.
What is this, camp broth?
Yeah, I think so.
It's really good. Look at my stuff. It looks yummy.
The tater tots are really crunchy. Really good.
The tater
I
tots.
got the lobster sliders. It's little bits of lobster, but it's like really good.
This bun is good too. It's
It has a lot of flavor if you like onions and everything, which I do. They're good.
Ooh, this is a nice. It's a
And I
burger.
actually have been dipping them in some ranch too, and it's really delicious.
I wish she asked me how I wanted this burger cut because it's thick.
It is thick. Wow, that's a fat burger.
This is a good burger now. You'd like it.
A lot better than Pico's Bill.
Franken-handed.
Super good.